12 with you on a barefoot tour.
Grand Strand Tower, transition approved, report 180.
Transition approved and reporting on the 180, Myrtle 12.
Grand Strand Tower, Myrtle 4 is turning base.
Myrtle 4, taxi by Bravo, clear to land, taxi to the ramp. And just follow in that Cherokee on final, if you would.
Yeah, I'll follow in that Cherokee on final. I'm going to alter course a little bit. Grand Strand, Myrtle 4.
Yeah, perfect. There's nobody else behind you.
I knew I'd have a hard time getting back over there with that wind coming. Head out of 120. We'll get. Okay. Up that, didn't you?
Yes.
Hey, Grand Strand Tower, Myrtle 4. I don't remember if I said it, but it's clear to land, taxiway Bravo, and back to ramp.
Myrtle 4, that is correct. You are clear to land, taxiway Bravo, and to the ramp.
All right, thank you, Myrtle 4.
11 Julie, just continue on down the runway. Exit the runway, taxiway Alpha 3, and then taxi to ramp, be Alpha 3 and Charlie.
Alpha 3 to Charlie, 1 Juliet. Good day. Do what did you say now?
I pushed you all over the place.
Is it dead gross?